If you don't have a monitor or a television, guys, you can actually use your PC or your computer to watch or to view your security camera video footage. So guys, in today's quick and simple video, guys, I will show you guys how you can use your PC or your laptop to start viewing or to watch your security camera footage, but with two things: your HDMI cable and also this HDMI cable video capture. You can buy this, you can go to any shop and get this. I got this for 8,000 naira. So guys, in this video, guys, I'll be showing you guys how you can make the whole connection so that you can use your PC to start viewing or watching your security camera footage. Without much further ado, now let's get in. So guys, now first of all, bring one head of your HDMI cable and connect to your DVR right here. You can see here HDMI, right? So connect it. So if I connect it, you can see, right? So now right now I will take the other head of the HDMI cable. You can see this, right? So now from this I'll bring this. You can see, you can buy this in the market. You can see here HDMI video capture. You can see, right? So you will now bring this. You can see the bottom or the back has an HDMI port. So use the other part of your HDMI cable and then connect it right here. You can see, right? So now this part is going to my laptop or my PC. So I'll not take this part to my PC, just watch and see. So I will take this part. You can see this video capture. I'll take the USB to my PC. I'll connect my PC right here to my PC. You can see, right? If I connect it to my PC, then let me show you how the whole thing looks or works. So right now on my PC, we need a third-party app, and the app is, you can see here, OBS Studio. You can see right here is OBS Studio, and there are two ways we can install this app: either by coming to our Microsoft Store and tap on it, and coming to the search bar here and type OBS Studio. You can see here OBS Studio. You can tap on it and install it here on your Microsoft window, and this app is entirely free. You can see, right? So if you can't get it from here, they can go to their official website on your web browser and tap here and come on the search bar and type obsproject.com. Here's the app's official website. You can enter, and if you enter, it will load and bring you to the official website, so you can install the app for both, for either Windows, Mac, or Linux. You can see, right? So after installing the app, you can come and tap on the app to open. You can tap and open the app. If you open the app and done the settings and configuration, it will bring you into this interface. You can go onto this dashboard, and now to be able to view your security camera on this app, so you can see here sources, and on sources here you can see here plus sign. Tap on this plus sign here. If you tap on it, you can see here video capture device, because I've actually connected a video capture to my PC. This one is showing here. So come and tap on this video capture device. If you tap on it, you can see here, come and tap on this OK. If you tap on this OK, you can see automatically my camera is actually showing here live. I can see here device, and it has selected USB video automatically. If I switch to OBS virtual camera, you see I can't see my camera footage anymore. So if I switch to USB video, it will switch to my security camera, because I've actually installed a video capture device. You can see, right? So I can come here and tap on this OK. If I tap on OK, I can start watching live my security camera video footage. I can come on these edges here and drag it to be small or to expand it. But if I want to expand to full screen to have a full screen view, I can come here and right click on it, and you see here full screen projector preview. You can tap on this display, and right now I can have a full screen. You can see, right? So right now I can use my laptop, my PC, my computer with my HDMI cable and also HDMI video capture card to be able to watch or to view my security camera on my PC live. So guys, that is it. Thanks for watching and bye.